I wouldn't use social, reasons above. Wait. I wouldn't touch social because you might not override default system defaults. Which is the social one? Is it one of these? This is the share button, right? Or what? Yeah, what is this one? Oh, wait. What is this guy? Can I use this one? These two. This is menu. That should be fine, right? That's my start button. But can I use this one as select? Also, I'm like waiting for an answer and I got chat paused. Maybe I'll scroll down. So here's the actual controller, right? Soul Retriever, how's it going? Welcome in. I'm assuming the upload button I can't use. That's not a controller. This? Can I use... So basically, don't use this one, but I can use this one, right? What up? What is up with you? We're figuring out controller button bullshit. Look at those thumbs. What's wrong with thumbs? I chew on my thumbs. They're pretty bad. Look in the social upload as similar to the Xbox button. It has system functionalities that aren't commonly overridden. And that, sir, is also a Gen 2 Xbox controller. Listen, I don't know about all the generations of controllers and nonsense. I'm just going to keep going. If it breaks, it breaks. It's just an icon. Whatever. All right, so Steam Deck. What's the Steam Deck look like? Oh, I have to make sure that I use the right buttons here. Previous. So PlayStation, cross, square, triangle. Yeah. How are you using an Xbox controller on a Mac? Bluetooth, baby. Bluetooth, baby. It's easy, actually. It took 2 seconds. I put batteries in it, which is stupid, first of all. And then the Mac just found it. Let me do the Steam Deck now. Where are the Steam Deck ones? So yeah, this is Xbox Share. Xbox button share. So I'm not using it, but it's here. It's here if I do want to use it. Now I want to go to the Apple store and ask for a controller. What do you mean? I think they sell Xbox controllers at Apple stores. No, that can't be true. They would never sell a Microsoft product. Doggy's getting hungry. 10 minutes, pup. Maybe this is Steam Deck. Steam Deck is L1 and R1 and L2 and R2. Where are they? LT. What kind of game are you making? I'm making a life sim, Innkeeper sim. Wait, where are all my Steam stuff? Where's my Steam shit? Did I not add it? I might not have added it. Did I miss it? Well, here's just button X, button Y, button B, button A. And this is very generic menu button, which I don't remember seeing here. Where are you at? Let's go back to the beginning. Back to the beginning. Back. Okay. I'm looking for these jammies. The R2 and L2, R1 and L1. Keep your eyes peeled. Here it is. I didn't name them. Steam L1. Steam L2. Steam L1. So annoying. Oh, the Steam button. I can't overwrite the Steam button, right? That's not allowed. Steam L2. Steam R2. Steam L1. Steam R1. I gotta find the other ones now. So these were L and L. Steam button Steam. I don't know. Here's R1. Steam R1. Where's R2, yo? Oh no, there it is. Steam R2. Wait, I'm missing a lot. Sorry, I'm focusing. They sell Steel Series in PS5. Ask me how I know about controllers. Go on, ask me. No, I don't care. We have to know. I think you need to ask. Ask me. Not asking. All right, fine. How do you know? Don't just send me 3ds Max and Blender docs. I missed it. Did we learn why Finn knows so much about controllers yet? No, not yet. He refuses to say. He's being obstinate. All right, where are these guys? I don't think I added these. I make games, LOL, get wrecked. You got me good. You got me real good. Booyah. Where are these stupid buttons? Nope. 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 No. 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 There it is. What is this? Steam select button. Steam select button. Now I need the menu button and we're good. Wait, did I just miss it? No. Okay. Once I find it, I'm going to feed the dog and then I'll be right back. Where is it? Oh, did I not add it? Are you kidding me? I just went through the whole thing. It wasn't here. Soul Retriever, thank you for the follow. I don't think I added it. Is this it? This is it. PlayStation menu. It's just the same button. I'm just going to use the same button. I don't care. PlayStation menu. If I can't find it, it's no big deal. Oh, you know what? It actually the sprite packer that I downloaded, it had a checkbox for like intelligently remove duplicate sprites. So maybe it was the same exact sprite and that's why I can't find it. Okay. Yeah, it must be the same. All right, so is this everything? No, I need these D-pads. Which D-pads do I use? These. Oh, they're the same as the Xbox ones. All right, fine. Xbox D-pad. Xbox D-pad up. Xbox D-pad down. Xbox D-pad right. PlayStation left stick. PlayStation right stick. All right, that's good. I'm gonna feed the Dougie. Steam page looks really nice, by the way. Thank you. Appreciate it. I'm gonna feed the doggy. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Everyone should also stand up, take a break, stretch, get water, whatever. I don't care. I do care. I want you to feel good. All right. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. All right. I think I just need to do the switch now. And then that's all of these. Welcome back. Welcome back to all of you. Okay, these I definitely didn't name. ZL, ZR, and L and R. Let's find them. Here it is. Switch ZL. Switch ZR. Switch L. One more. One more. Do you know what buttons are traditionally jump and interact on each of these controllers because they are different? Yeah, the only thing that's normal, that's the only thing that's different is on Nintendo games. Like Nintendo targeted games, instead of like the bottom, like the south button being the main button, the east button is the main button. But I'm not releasing on Nintendo right now, so I don't care. I don't really think it's like about controller, right? It's more about platform. You fixed the video clips issues in the demo. Nice. Time to take a break from deving. What was your solve? Tell us. Tell us your secrets. There it is. Switch R. Okay, is that everything? Oh, I need switch A, switch B. Switch, what did I call them though? I think I just called them, I think just button A, button B, button X, button Y. I don't, these are pretty generic. And then switch start. What did I call these? Start or plus? Switch start and then switch select. For a few days, more like 1 to 2 hours. What do you mean? Wait, what did I miss? What did I say? I forgot. If they put jump on the north button, I'm using a PlayStation controller. I'm pissed. So you think it's about the controller's state of mind and not the ecosystem. That's interesting. If you mean Soul Reaver, kinda. Also, my sister watched me misspell my username on PSN when you couldn't change it, so now all my platforms are misspelled this way. Oh, Retriever. I didn't even realize it's not Retriever. It's Soul Retriever. Well, I can't be sure if the auto transcoding options did the trick or if it's just the manual builds versus CI builds right now. But hey, it works and I'm happy. There you go. Now you can get some sleep. Same with the Xbox controller. That is normally the north button. Well, it's a good thing I don't jump. Honestly, as long as I match Stardew Valley, that's all I gotta do. People are gonna expect Stardew Valley controls. I just gotta match Stardew Valley controls. Get out of my head, but yeah, probably. Wait, what did I miss? I'm so confused. Oh. Oh, wait. For a few days, time to take break from dev for a few days. Oh, I see. You're responding to computer. I gets it. Jump is south on PlayStation. I didn't real. I mean, I played. I feel like Jump doesn't really have a normal button position. Am I crazy? Does Jump have a or is it just per game? Also, I gotta get my Switch controller. I'm confused as to something. Okay, I'm not confused anymore. Yeah, it's just R and ZR, ZL. L. Okay. Okay. I played games where jump is north, but most of the time it's south. Yeah, I feel like I've just played. I feel like it just kind of depends on the game, not really the system. Okay. Let's test. Let's test with all my controllers now. Delete. Turn controller on. Hit play. PlayStation left stick. Why? You love the intro? Nice, thank you. Why? Why didn't it work? Press X or sprite name nothing. Damn it. Dang it. Dang it to heck. So it did switch to use PlayStation left stick. But why doesn't PlayStation left stick work? Unlock. It's called PlayStation left stick, yeah. Also, Dougie. Stop doing that. Dougie. Did I not call it PlayStation left stick? What did I call it? I might have just called it left stick. That was stupid. Button. So annoying. They need a better way to do this. Next, next, next. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where is it? Where are you? Doko. Doko desu ka? I just called it left stick. That's why. I'm a dummy. I'm a dumb. Left stick. Right stick. Steam Deck. Why no jumping? What are you replacing that feature with? With in-keeping, of course. Okay, that should do it. That should do the trick. Wait, if I play anything like Call of Duty or Apex on the controller, then I'm bumper jumping? Elden Ring's controls mess me up. What's so weird about Elden Ring's controls? An innkeeper sim where you can't jump in the beds? Damn. Damn, should I do that? Should I add jumping on the bed mechanic? That's big. That's big, computer. Do I have a... I totally have a jump animation. I just don't implement it. Press X or sprite name. Why? Oh wait, no, I know why that one's I know why that one's busted. Kilika! Kilika. How's it going? Just as Final Fantasy VII playlist ended, Kilika shows up. Almost like I was summoned you. Kilika summon. I'm gonna play the first one now. For those of you that don't know, the music we've been listening to has been developed by Kilika. I'm always lurking. Nice. Queen size bunk beds when bunk beds, that's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea. The thing is, I don't have multiple people staying in rooms, so it's kind of pointless. What am I doing? I'm looking for my save file so I can delete it. Karis Hest. Thank you. I feel like Pirate Software would love your game. Don't get me all excited like that. Jeez. Why you gotta get me all excited like that? Wait, I saw that was so busted. That was totally busted. Did I finish the conditional thing? I thought I finished that. Moving tutorial. Condition. No. Condition. Yeah, condition. No, it is a condition. What am I doing? Controller. Yeah. So if, oh, I didn't, oh my God, I didn't implement it. I'm such an idiot. I didn't implement it. Oh, stupid. So here what I want to do is modal info event dot trigger. If Thor checks out Alpine Lake, it'll be the greatest crossover event since Marvel's Endgame. Major fanboy moment. Yeah, honestly, just saying his name makes my stomach get hot. That'd be a lot. Big love for Thor. He's such a good dude. You should definitely share your game to him. You can't share your game with Thor. You can't do that. He needs to find you. Because, yeah, but his chat is like insane. It's like 1,000 people being like, all just screaming. And self-promo is frowned upon. It's like 20K, yeah. What did I say? 10K? Yeah, I've noticed his numbers have gone up recently. They were like 11K for a little bit. Now they're at like 15K. It's crazy. So what's the best way to do this? Probably in the modal panel. Yeah, we'll go into the modal panel display. That's what I'll do. I'm working on a lo-fi mix Heartbound currently. I'm just waiting for his final approval of it. Wait, what do you mean his? You have direct contact with him? Are you making something for him? That's nuts. That's wild. I mean, yeah, that guy has power right now. Like he's got the gold, he's got the Midas touch. He can literally touch something and it turns to gold. It's insane. He offers the music for free if you buy the soundtrack. Wait, that's paying for the soundtrack. What? Oh, like royalty free. Really? Okay, that's different. That's crazy. Modal panel. Modal display? Modal info panel. So here, set description, modal config. I immediately want to see if the conditions are met. If alt conditions. Sounds like something he'd do. Yeah. He just partnered with a publisher. And that publisher has a very similar tagline to the tagline I had for my company from like 15 years ago or 10 years ago. So I immediately was like, okay, if Thor's involved and our minds think that similarly, maybe they're a good place. So I did apply, but I haven't heard back. So if we meet these alt config conditions, modal info equals modal info dot alt modal panel dot config. That okay. So we just like do a little hot swap. Who is this publisher? Oh yeah, it's off brand. Wait, did I apply? I think I did. Where's their website? Offbrand.gg. I don't know what his partnership is with them, but wait, is this them? Wait a minute, this doesn't seem right. Yeah, this is them. Yeah, okay. Wait, sorry, Connie, what did you say? You said you need to find the people that near to him and talk with them and then sneakily. No. But I'm not trying to be sneaky. This stuff will happen naturally. Use left stick to move. Give it a try. It worked. Boom. It worked. Okay, but it didn't play. Oh. Wait a minute. Okay, so first of all, I got a null reference exception. Because this, by default, it comes back true always. By default, it's always true. So basically only if this is not null. If this is, okay, if it's true and modal info dot alt panel is not null. There we go. So if it's null, we just ignore it anyway. Isn't it called hand for Midas? Hand of Midas? Yeah, hand of Midas, but Midas has the golden touch. That's the lore. The blessing and a curse. I thought he was going to open his own publishing house. Well, maybe this is, this is how you do that. Instead of just starting from scratch, you just partner with one that already exists. Anyone can use Heartbound music on their stream or content along as it's not a direct, as long as it's not a direct upload. That's crazy. Didn't realize that. All right, let's see if that fixes the issue. I'm getting tired. Did everyone have a nice weekend? What did I do this weekend? I went shopping yesterday, and Saturday was just like a chill day. Press X. Wait. Okay, I didn't add an alternate to this one, so it's looking for mouse click. I didn't delete the save file though. Oh, I also just realized that the hold button to skip it's blocked when there's a dialogue, like the letterbox pops up. I could just raise this up and call it a day, or I could dynamically change the anchor point when the letterbox pops up. What's the best way to do it? I think I'm just going to move it up for now because I don't... That the letterboxing is like embedded in my dialogue system and it's not like on the outside. It's meeting Monday. Wait, MTG. Been working all weekend. My weekend starts tomorrow. That's confusing. My weekend was, as usual, not long enough. Oh no. Weekend was good, but today I have a meeting in the evening. No. Meetings are the worst. Oh, Magic the Gathering. It's Magic the Gathering Monday. I played Magic the Gathering when I was in middle school for a couple of months. It's too expensive. It was too expensive of a hobby for a kid. Like, I had shitty cards. I had a deck. I had a decent deck, I feel like. But I also wasn't smart enough. Like, I had a friend help me build my deck, and I was bad at it. Magic the Gathering, what kind of nerd are you? Not the good kind. Finn, that's bullying. That's not allowed. Also, hey, I used to play too. Oh, you're saying me. What kind of nerd am I for not realizing MTG was okay? You could bully me. That's fine. Yeah, MTG. When I saw that, I just in my head was like meetings. You got meetings. Imagine seeing MTG and not even thinking Magic. Meeting for a volunteer position too in the evening. Yag. Volunteer position. That's so nice of you. Nerd. I move all my meetings to one day so that I can work in peace for the rest of them. That is smart. That is smart. I don't have... I was going to say I don't have control over my meetings anymore, but I don't have meetings anymore. My entire office is sleeping when I'm working. So I don't have meetings. Sometimes I'll meet with my boss for like 30 minutes at 6 a.m. my time, but it's usually on like when I ask for it. So that's pretty funny. What the hell was I just doing? I just got so sidetracked. That's how I know it's almost time to wrap up because I'm a little tired. Oh, I was deleting the save file. That's right. I was deleting the save file. Go here. Come back to the game. I'm gonna have to say everything out loud so I don't forget. Oh, right. I was moving that hold to skip button up. That's what I was doing. So I hold to skip. You see here, it's here. It's on the right. But now it's behind the thingy. Give left to move a try. Moving. Use left move. Use left stick to move. Give it a try. Okay. Pressing X. Yeah. Also, Finn, thank you for that big ass emote. That costs money. That's crazy. You're crazy. I noticed you dropped yours to 10 bits on your channel. That's very nice of you. I should do the same. Can't demolish. Why? That was weird. I wish I can turn them off. Yeah, I don't know. I guess they don't really bother me so much. But I understand. I can understand if that's like part of branding. If you don't want it, you should be able to turn it off. Absolutely. I couldn't decide if they should be 10K or 10. 10K to stop people from using them, but then people do like them, and I see why. Yeah, they're fun. They're kind of fun. I see why too. But I also see why people would want to turn them off. I get it. Whoa. Okay, we're still getting null reference exceptions. So if modal conditions, why would this be null? That's weird. We're checking if it's null. And then this is this is a struct. Or it's a class, but it's serialized. What the hell can be null on this line? Was it line 85? Line 85, something's null. I think the big emote is cool, and the other are both kind of useless. Yeah, the other ones are... The big emote is the cool one. The other ones are dumb. Well, for me, I'm actively trying to prevent people from giving me money via Twitch because I can't do anything with it. Oh. Then, can you... I mean, why are you affiliated? For the other stuff, for the channel redeems? What if you do like Val and just have all your own bots? Twitch won't let me take it off. Wait, what? Really? I would prefer an option to make them available via points. Oh, yeah. Like to switch them from bits to channel points. I'm a developer account, and those are not eligible for offboarding. Oh, weird. That's crazy. I didn't realize. This is bugging me. Oh wait, maybe modal info is null? Can modal info be null? Print modal info. And did I do something stupid here to break it? No, I didn't touch this. This can't be, no, it can't be null. Now I have 150 bucks in the escrow that I just can't do anything with because I'm in a sanctioned country. Very fun. Can you send it to someone else? Can you just like give it to a friend in another country? Modal config. Null reference exception. Object reference not sent to an instance. Okay. What? Can this be null? Is it possible for this to be null? I don't think so. Not without their tax form. Oh. That's weird. That's annoying. Have a good night. Time for me to crash. We'll be back. Soul Retriever. Thanks for hanging. Have a good night. This makes no actual sense. I mean, the weird thing is because when you pick up the item, this is null. and it doesn't throw the error. Only the new task tutorial does it throw the error. Where is that one? Biome, camera, decorating, demo, doors, flooring. Wait, what? Where? Oh, I make this one in code. It's not an action. So what's the deal with that? Oh, is this because it's not serialized? So like, because this is not serialized, or because this is a serialized class, it's always here when it's in the inspector. But when I make it in code, conditions don't exist. That's crazy. So I need to check for conditions as well. So if modal info dot alt conditions equals null, does not equal null. End, we'll put that end here. So if neither of these are null, then we check for conditions. Okay. That should do it. That's weird. I've never had this experience before with a, yeah, I guess I've never done this before, where sometimes it's serialized in the inspector and it's fine. And then sometimes I just spin it up in code and no bueno. Yokonai desu. Also, this Twitter post is doing well. I was not expecting this. Keep going, little Twitter post. Keep flying around the internet. Oh, and it's time to publicly check my wish list count. Slowest website reload ever. Intervention, anyone? No. Let me have this. I am a little too obsessed. And that's why Twitter is so upsetting to me sometimes. Because some days I'm happy to see other people succeed, and some days I'm not. Rosa, how's it going? Genki desu ka? Oh, what am I doing? I need to check the tasks. You got your wish, Finn. It won't even reload. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Getting some vital controller support in the game today. So if I get this quest, there we go. Okay, we're back. Oh, there we go. Open your journal, J, to view all your tasks. So, journal button. Not me, just the universe telling you something. It really is. It's not loading. It just refuses to load. It just won't reload. Bad gateway. Oh God. They're telling me to get out. All right. So I need an alternate item use. So input action or input right click from keyboard and mouse. And then I need a item use controller. Pressing input action will use the currently highlighted item on the hotbar at the bottom of the screen. Great. And then this needs alternate and controller type. Okay. And then the tasks. Ooh. So where in code is that? I think it's in the quest. Quest notifier. Where is, where is that? それはどこですか? It's on the dialog manager. There it is. Quest completion listener. So I check for scary letter, and then I say this stuff. And here, instead of saying J, I say, oh, interesting. I don't have a J button. Oh, crap. I don't have a journal button. Oh, I can just do this. Sprite name equals key J. I can just do that. Right? Oh, and I have to do this, right? Bam, bam. Yeah. And then I can say, or here I can just say if controller, if input schema, input controller. I need a static function that'll do this for me. Is controller. Public static bool is controller. And then I just want to return, so you can't set it. It's just got a getter, which is basically if return not mouse controls and not keyboard or mouse. Is that it? Is that smart? I'm smart, right? I'm a smart person. So if input system dot is controller string description equals this. No, don't say that. Definitely not genius. Description equals. So if it's controller, we want to say, instead of this, we want to say D-pad up. Input D-pad up. Is that true? Did I lie? Is it up or left? Yeah, it's up. Let me do that. All right. And then always, whenever I put strings in scripts, I do this. I do to do, localize this. Because maybe one day I'll localize it. Where's today's chocolate chip cookies? No cookies today. You know what I've been eating is the Muji chocolate covered strawberries. I've been popping those like I don't know, like there's no tomorrow. I always have a bag of the white chocolate, the strawberry chocolate and the milk chocolate covered strawberries in the drawer at any given time. And I literally make Muji runs just to refill them. Don't get me hangry for candy. Yeah, I'm so hungry right now. Oh my God. Okay, the wish list, they refreshed. We got 9. We got 9. Sticking to the average. 9's been the average lately. Let's see if that worked. Wait, did Unity just crash? Yeah, it did. What the hell? That's like 5 times today. No bueno, Unity. Chocolate strawberries are amazing. So these are freeze-dried. They're freeze-dried strawberries covered in chocolate. They're not fresh strawberries. They're still very good though. There's one weird thing with them. When you bite into it, because they're freeze-dried, there's basically like a puff of powder and dust in your mouth. And if you take a breath while you bite into it at the same time, you're going to suck in all that powder into your lungs and it makes you cough. So you have to like eat the whole thing without taking a breath, and it's ridiculous. Do you have a price in mind for the game yet? I'm either going to do $14.99 or $19.99. Probably $14.99. That's like the going rate for a solo dev life sim. I have a bad habit of inhaling while drinking, and it always gets me choking with ginger ale. Yeah, I have the same problem. I bet I'd die from those berries. It's not comfortable. I always have to remember, like, okay, don't breathe, just chew. And then once you've chewed it enough, the powder is no longer powder. What? Wait, I must not have set that up. Sprite name D-pad up. Oh, but which D-pad up? That's not what I need. I did it wrong. I did it wrong. Wait, no. Yeah, input D-pad up. What? What? Xbox controller. Xbox schema. Oh, yeah, I just wrote D-pad up. It's Xbox D-pad up. Xbox D-pad up. Xbox D-pad up. Right? Is that true? Am I lying? Oh, damn it. This is not a good system. I don't like it. It's not easy to check. And I have to check every single controller to make sure it works. Or else that can happen. If someone uses a weird controller and it doesn't get caught by my system, all the text is going to be totally messed up. These are PlayStation. Why are they not? Why don't they have names? Oh, crap. Xbox D-pad. Xbox D-pad vertical. PlayStation D-pad. Xbox D-pad down. Yeah, it's Xbox. Starts with Xbox. What did I do for the Steam one? Steam Deck. Yeah, I use the Xbox ones. Okay. And then so sometimes a car will be driving by very slowly and be announcing something in Japanese, and I never understand what it is. They're doing it right now. Blasting with a megaphone. I have no idea what's going on. Could be dangerous. I think it's like a reminder to vote in the election. Oh, it's so loud. The mic is picking it up. Do you guys hear that? I can't get it to stop. It's probably just like murmurs. Okay, right. So, item tutorial. Item pickup tutorial. Right, I didn't set it. Item use tutorial and then item controller version. Wait, didn't I just change this? Oh, but we crashed. That's when we crashed. It didn't save this stuff. So I set this item use tutorial. Good. And then all I did was I deleted this stuff. And I set this to controller. Save. Please. Reminds me of the prayer loudspeakers in Turkey. It sounds like the Nintendo Mii characters. Yeah, I can see that. I mean, it sounds like that to me. So pressing X will use the currently highlighted item on the hotbar. There it is, X. Perfect. And then I go here. Back out. There you go. Your first task, open the journal. D-pad up to view all your tasks. We did it. We did it. Okay. Okay. Where else does that happen? I feel like I just need to keep playing. Or maybe I just need to read these. Hold the interact button right there. Hold, input, interact. To start focusing the camera. Take the best photos. To take the best photos, wait until the cone is as small as possible. Okay. Decorating. Right click to rotate the items. Oh, so I want a controller version of this. Decorating tutorial. Controller. Plug this in here. And do this if controller. And then the controller one should say, how do you rotate on the controller? It's like the bumpers, right? Oh, wait a minute. I don't think I need to. Decoration controller. I think I can just... right click spin. So it's the triggers. Okay, I can do the triggers. So I don't need two controllers. Or I don't need two tutorials. Get rid of that one. You know what? I'll be thorough, whatever. I'll just keep both. Can I undo a delete? No, can't. I'll do it again. And this is why controller support should be DLC. Let them know it was an extra pain in the butt, in the shiny butt. So yeah, Crazy Mike was doing controller support today too, and he's shipping his game in 2 days. I was like, 2 days before delivery, you're gonna add controller support? It's taken me like a month, but he doesn't have many menus. Wait, missing. Yeah, I know it's missing. Set to null. Okay, fine. He's a mad lad, to be fair. Yeah, he is. Okay, so input right click or input left trigger, input right trigger to rotate. And then for controller, it should just be these two. So no left click, no right click. Input left trigger, right trigger to rotate the items. Press input action or input interact to place them. Cool, let's test it. Which, whatever. What am I doing? Birdhouse. I don't know why it had to be birdhouse, but it had to be birdhouse. RT and LT RT to rotate the items. Press X or A to place them. Easy. Yeah, that works. And the bumpers don't do anything. Okay, and then place. Ooh, X, actually A doesn't place it. Only X places it. Why doesn't A place it? Should I make A place it? Left click on down, right click on down. Action button. The interact button does nothing, so might as well do it as well. I'm making some potato and rib meat breakfast. Eggs or not? Yeah, always eggs. Always eggs. I made a ridiculous breakfast this morning. I diced up potatoes really fine, and I fried it in the pan. Cut up some salami, some eggs, and grated some cheese on top. Made like a little hash. Ooh, it was so good. It was so freaking good. Interact button. I don't know why I didn't have this before. I hope there wasn't a good reason. All right, I think I'm in a really good place. The controller buttons, the images themselves, they feel a little small. Just a teensy bit. I know if I click, I can click the trim button in the Sprite Atlas generator, but I'm afraid if I can't I'm afraid if I don't like it, I can't untrim it without the button names all undoing, which would be horrific. So I'm not going to click that trim button. Let me test the keyboard version. Is there not an upscaler in Engine for sprites? What do you mean an I upscaler? Did you mean to say AI upscaler? So left click or... Wait. That's the right trigger button and left trigger, not left and right. It should be left and right. Did I mess that up? Keyboard input. Left trigger is this. Right trigger is this. And what did I say in the tutorial? Decor tutorial. Input left trigger, input right trigger. But why did it show the opposite ones? There is not. Does Unreal have that in AI upscaler? And it's not the size, it's not like the raw size of the sprite. It's how it renders it within text. Like I have the pixels there. It's just I have to play with the sprite size. How yeah. Basically how it renders within the text. There's like offsets. Text Mesh Pro tries to intelligently like make it the same size as the lettering, but you know, it's not always what you want. Why was that showing the opposites? Input left trigger, input right trigger. What if I go to the what if I go to here? Keyboard. Left click, right click. Where's triggers? Right trigger returns the right trigger text ID. Left trigger returns the left trigger text ID. Right trigger. Oh, wait a minute. Left trigger, left trigger. It's something within the button prompts, not. Yeah, it's the sprite atlas that has the problem. Ellen Rude. Wait, you can AI upscale in Unreal itself? Yeah, I didn't know that. That's crazy. Button prompt. It must be in this thing. Next, 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 next. Oh, yeah, duh. This is the less than. Key less than. How annoying. Oh, didn't even see it. I'm looking for greater than. Where's greater than? Less than? Greater than. Key greater than. Okay, that should be fixed. I'm just being a smartass. Also, I don't use sprites, so I don't know. Oh, you're being a smartass? Unreal doesn't have that? Listen, very gullible sometimes. Especially when I trust someone. I'm just gonna believe you. Okay, LT, RT. Great. That didn't change. That wasn't the problem. Yes. Why are you trusting Cog, though? I don't know. It was just the way he said it. Made it very believable. Right click or, yeah, there we go. To rotate the items, press E or something very tiny. If I make this bigger, yeah, I got to make this space button bigger. Can I do it live? I can. Where the hell is it? So annoying. Where have you been? I don't understand how Twitch at this point doesn't have like a just the thing like, oh, Twitch scam is in your username. We just won't allow it. We'll just not even allow you to make the account name. But yeah, welcome in Twitch scam. How was your weekend? One day you'll grow the courage to chat with me. Did you annoy someone or something? I don't know. I'm sure I annoy a lot of people. Where the hell is the space? Damn it. Oh, I can search. God damn it, space. I forgot I could search. So this needs to be 2. Wait. Space. This needs to be 2. And then lowered? By a normal number, not a random number. How does that look? If I double click this, it's going to crash. So let's not do that. Different type of question. Why are you using greater than and less than buttons? I'm so used to R and Shift R to rotate that I thought it became industry standard. I do that because I don't know. I think I just did it because I had controllers in mind. Like I knew I was designing for the controller first. And I knew I wanted those to be triggers on the controller. And I looked at the keyboard and I'm like, oh, a greater than and left than sign. They look like arrows. So I was just like, those are my triggers. Those are my left and right triggers. As far as industry standard, I haven't played many games where you decorate, which is kind of funny, especially on PC. I have this weird, like I'm making a cozy game, and I'm making a game with decoration, but I haven't played many of them. So it's not like I'm not drawing too much inspiration from other games, which I probably should. If you're cozy or safe space tagged, you are more likely to get hate raids and bot trolled. I guess so, sure. Whatever. I've never heard of R and Shift R for rotation. Yeah, I haven't either. But then again, I haven't heard of anything, so. Okay. I mean, I'm glad you said that. I'm curious as to what kind of feedback I'll get, when the demo comes out. Q and E are common. That's true. Well, E I use for interacting with things. Q I don't use. I guess Q and R can do it too. Like E to place and then Q and R to rotate. I can totally switch. Because what else does that do? That's actually a good thing to do right now because those carrots are stupid. Let me do that. I'm gonna do that right now. Q and R. Nice. Next thing, you don't have to have E to place. You have a mouse. Well, they both do it. E to place and mouse button to place. Another thing I'm trying to do is make it so that you could play this game totally on the keyboard with no mouse. For like laptop use. So there's technically not always a mouse. But that's a good suggestion. I'm gonna switch to Q and R. And let's really this is putting the input system to the test. If I just change two little bits in the code, it should just update everywhere to the other. Oh, that's actually not true. I have to do a little more manual, but so comma and period is my left trigger. So now it's gonna be Q and R. And in the keyboard prompts, I'll just switch those images to Q and R. And that'll be way less confusing. E or F are usually reserved for interaction, and F is used when you need E for something else. Should I be using F instead of spacebar? Because I use E in spacebar. So now it's key Q and key R. And we'll say keyboard Q. Augie! Augie, Augie, Augie! Augie, how the hell are you? You tired? You tired? Guys, this is what Augie's working on. It's incredible. I played it. I played it on my Steam Deck, and it works. I can't play you a trailer because there is no trailer, but I insist that everyone clicks on that link and wishlist it. This is what well, Augie, what's the matter? I am hell. I would use F in spacebar and use E for rotation. So you think I should switch the whole game to be F for interact instead of E? Or are you only suggesting during decoration mode, which is kind of a pain? I kind of either want to switch it all or never switch it. Prestige Lulu. Thank you for the follow. How's it going? Welcome in. Switch it all is fine. I need to know what other people think as well. Does everyone think that's a good idea? Is to switch E completely to F. And then Q and E can be not only rotating, but it's also going to be moving the hotbar, like moving your selected item. GitHub's still broken? What do you mean? Is your GitHub broken, or is GitHub as a whole broken? F is further to reach? I guess so. My GitHub? Q and R is kind of different, confusing for me. I guess, yeah. All right, I'll try it. I'm gonna try it. I like that. I'll switch it to F. Okay, did everybody wishlist on EB? Wait, why did it? Oh, for bullying. Git broke it. I guess it thinks that the word git is also like get, and you're basically saying get broken, and that's bullying. Also, did we just reach the end of Final Fantasy? We did. We did. We're going to listen to every single one in this stream. Also, where the hell is my wife? She's still at work. Git is offensive in British English? Huh. Well. This is not a British stream. Something is causing my GitHub pushes to run at 20 KB per second, which will time out LFS every time. Oh, wow. That's not good. Could it just be an internet issue? It's actually why Linus Torvalds chose the name Git, because it's a Git to work. Really? That's amazing. Internet's fine. That's weird. I'm sorry. All right, I'm switching the whole game to be F now instead of E. Everyone's gonna freak. The whole game now. The action button is now F. Key F. Keyboard F. Because I do think that's a good idea. And then it's going to be Q and E. Oh, wait. Fast. I use F for fast forward. I guess I'll change that. I'll change my debug fast forward button. We better be able to rebind. No, there's no rebinding. But I think these are good changes. I just needed to hear it from a PC player. F to interact is super common nowadays. Good call. Okay, thank you. So input system. So now instead of E, we're looking for F. And then instead of QR, it's going to be QE. QE is right trigger. And back to the keyboard schema. Not surprised. It's really, really bad for game development. Yeah, it's not fun. I have Git issues right now. Oh, maybe someone, is anybody a Git expert? Maybe you can help me because my Git issues are preventing me from also backing up. And I basically haven't backed up the game in like 2 weeks. Let's see. Let me just do this one thing. Keyboard schema. All right, so now right trigger is going to be key E. Keyboard E. Oh boy. Keyboard E. There it is. I work fine with Git, to be honest, but I have a very custom local setup. You would. You would. I use Bitbucket, and Bitbucket has been good, except when you hit 4 gigs, it's like, no more Bitbucket for you. And I've hit 4 gigs. Anna Lightgiver, how's it going? Howdy. Haven't backed up my game in 2 weeks. Just gave me massive contact anxiety. Yeah, it doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel good. I need help. Someone out there is going to be able to help me. On that topic, is there anything good for game dev? Yeah, I'm not sure. In the context of CVS. You mean Dwayne Reed? Earthquake incoming? Oh God, don't say that. Oh my God. Can I tell you guys about a dream I had? I had a dream that I was in an earthquake. And I was looking out my window and I saw the apartment below me. I was looking into their window somehow. Like it was through a courtyard. And I saw the ceiling starting to cave in the apartment below me's kitchen. And then like the room was shaking and I'm like, oh, this is a really long earthquake. And then I was getting a little nervous seeing the ceiling, and then the whole ceiling caved in. And then the whole building collapsed and I'm like falling in the collapsed building. And it was the scariest, most real dream I've had in a very, very long time. I woke up super freaked out. Super freaked out. Normally when I have a nightmare, I kind of know it's a nightmare and then I'll just like wake myself up. I haven't had a real nightmare, like a terrifying nightmare in years. And I wouldn't even call this a nightmare. It just felt so real. And yeah. Woke up, thought I was dead. I swear when I woke up, I'm like, oh my God, I'm not dead. That's crazy. And then there was an earthquake that day. There was an earthquake a couple hours later. It was insane. I didn't like it. I don't really know what Git LFS is, and it's annoying me. Yeah, I'm a freaking nerd. I could talk about my Git instance on my local Xeon RAID server all day. Yeah, you can. Working with porting, it's a new Git setup for each project. Like a version control system should not be that flexible. What do you mean it should not be that flexible? Git is a problem in that pair. Git LFS is a must, true. See, I don't use Git LFS. I probably should. Tails tactically weird. Hi, how's it going? My game designer accidentally changed the Git attribute file on live project For a week, no assets was pushed before we noticed everything breaking slowly. Oh god, that sounds terrible. Have you had dinner yet? No, I haven't. It's I'm gonna have to eat soon. Watching Shogun awoke a whole new existential fear of earthquakes for me. I feel you. Yeah, it was terrifying. Uh, yeah, I know it's for large files, but I don't know how to use it. I had a death loop dream, and I was able to change stuff enough. It broke the loop. See, it's okay when you know it's a dream. You could just like get out of it. But I had no idea. It was totally real to me. It's an add-on for large file storage, system for big files, so they won't bloat Git itself. Yeah, I guess I do need that. Also, these days allow file locking, which is pretty impressive because Git is distributed version control. You can do file locking with Git now, but in the context of all engines, file locking isn't automated like Perforce, but Perforce is a centralized system, but Perforce is much harder to work with. Yeah, we used Perforce for a little bit at work and we basically gave up. You need a somewhat of a custom server. I know you can enable it on Azure DevOps, but no idea how to do it on GitHub or similar. All right. Well, maybe let me just do this. Let me do this quick adjustment. This is a big adjustment. I just want to make sure I get it right. So key F, and we're going to keep spacebar. Keep space, yeah. And wait, is that it? Button prompt. No, I don't have to do anything there. I think that's it. I think that's it. Let's see what I did. See what kind of nonsense is gonna go wrong. Oh, right. I have to change the fast forward button. That's what I need to do. Time system. You need someone dedicated to make Perforce work properly. That's lame. It's lame. So now instead of, yeah, I guess I'll just make it G. And then if G and H are pressed together, fast forward. Because I don't use G and H for anything, right? No. Also, because why not? If anyone hasn't wishlisted Alpine Lake, please would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. I love me some wish lists. We hit 2,000. We're celebrating. We hit 2,000 this morning. And it took a very long time to hit 2,000, but maybe it'll go faster next time. Panda Coder! This time I'm sober. How'd you feel the next morning? How you doing, Panda Coder? Uncle Finn. QE to rotate. It works. Okay, we didn't break anything. And then I hit F. F to place. Space to open. Is Panda here because Beegs went on break? Maybe. Is Beegs on break? Did you do a 2,000 wishlist post adding a cute feature to the game? No. You didn't see my 2,000 wishlist posts? There's my 2,000 wishlist posts. You can't Twitter? Q and E here, not R and L. Wait, R and L. Oh wait, I missed a bunch before. Computer, you said maybe you can get Yanni to help you set things up. He's super busy, but also a force of nature. Just point him at a problem around Git. He's helped me so much in the past. I hate to bother. There's just way more help out there for Git, and because most variants are open, there's pretty much endless opportunity to modify it to make it work how you need. All I know how to do is git push, git commit, git add, period, git commit, git push. That's usually what I do. I didn't have a headache, but in hindsight, I think I may have had a hangover. You have some brain fog. I'm on the list. Oh, you've been banned? My original account's banned actually because someone hacked it and posted a bunch of crypto nonsense, and Twitter never, they weren't like able to get it back from me, and they just never responded. Just like mild dizziness. I noticed it more in a vehicle when texting. I was not. Oh Jesus! I was about to say. It felt like I got too motion sick too easily. That is what the, oh yeah, getting drunk. Precursor for hangovers. All right. I think it's okay. I think everything works. I'm gonna assume. So who's gonna help me with my Git issue? You ready? If I term. Oh my god, I've done so much. I haven't even like committed locally. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, these are all deletes. These are all deletes. All right, let's do it. Git add. This is what I do. Git add dot. We wait. Git commit. Oh my god, so much. I don't even know what to say. We wait. Good call on the eggs. Nice, nice. Send a pic. I want to see it. How many files is that? It was a lot. But yeah, most of these are just deletions and modified stuff. All right, you ready? Why are you using git shell? I don't know, why not? What am I supposed to use? I just use source tree for common actions and visualizations of Git. That's just masochism. This is how I learned it. I don't know. But here, watch this. You ready? Git push origin master. Okay. This is where the problem lies. Is anything not doxing, but like, are any of like my passwords gonna show up on screen? Should I do this off screen? I'll do it off screen. I have very good upload speeds. Please go faster. I'm not switching to a user interface. I like my shell. Even though I hate command line stuff. This is just, it's just very simple for my brain to get this. When I see Git interface stuff, it's so confusing. I'm just like, what is happening? How is this working? Okay, resolving deltas. Here we go. Checking connectivity. Bam. Okay. What the how? What the hell is this? Your push has been blocked because it includes at least one file that is 100 megabyte or larger. Bitbucket Cloud recommends using Git LFS for large files to prevent repositories. Okay. So here's the thing. I know which file is larger than 100 megabytes. There is one. But it's been 100 megabytes for like 2 years. So why now? Why now? Everyone post your favorite Git GUI or I'll start banning. No. No Git GUIs. I only want reasonable insight as to why this is happening now. They're cracking down. You can disable that limit? Oh, I can? How do I do that? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, so this is a new repository. Okay. So let me log into my Bitbucket. And please let me just autofill the password because I have no idea. Yay. Enable two-step verification. No. Continue. I refuse. All right, where can I remove that? Repository settings. It's 3.25 gigs. Advanced. Block pushes with over 100 meg files. Save. Oh my god, you help me. No two-step verification. Don't tell everyone. Don't tell everyone. It has to recompress it? That's silly. Just turn on LFS, please? I don't know how. I love this. This is the best. I have a chat full of 35 devs that know how to use Git, and I am stubborn and don't know how to use Git, and it's pissing you all off. That's amazing. That's gonna go to YouTube. Why is anyone surprised by anything that's happening here Git related? So I'm like missing some messages. So if you are telling me how to do it in a simple way, I can't read it right now. Oh. Warning! Yes! We're backed up. We're backed up, baby. Woo, that was a lot of work that wasn't backed up. That was a lot of work. Thank you, Eileen Rude. You got me there. I didn't. Wait, where does it say you can turn it off? If necessary, the file size limit can be disabled by an admin in repository setting. I just never read that far. I hate it. I hate Git. I'll turn on two-factor verification now, though. Man is turning the community against him. You realize that this will come back to bite you in the ass? What? Which part? All of it? That was fun. I feel so much better now. But at the same exact time, I got bad news that my wife has to stay late at work again. She stayed until like 4 in the morning every day last week, and today was supposed to be like a chill day, come home early, and she has to stay late. It's crazy. It's crazy. Japanese companies, they work you hard. What should I do though? I need to eat. It's 8. Holy crap. I need to eat. We need a raid. We're gonna go say hi to Sky Gray. Sky Gray took a little bit of a break from streaming, but he's back. So let's go say hi to Sky Gray. Or wait a minute, I have never raided Boom, and Boom is on. Should I raid Boom? Boom's not. Normally I don't raid Boom because I don't know how many O's are in her name. Or their name? I don't know their pronouns. Getting us all riled up will bite you. That was fun. I liked it. What are some other silly things that I can rile you guys up with? See, this is why I'm a little bit of an outsider in the game dev category. You know? Boom is a chaos goblin. Hope you're prepared for that. I mean, I've been on their stream. I've just never raided. It's always quite loud. Work culture in Japan is not something I vibe with at all. Yeah, it's hard. Oh, I rated Captain Coder like on Friday. I think, yeah, the last person I rated was Captain Coder. Oh wait, Rocket Doodle just rated us. You know, I'm gonna stick with the beginning. Rocket Doodle's been going for 4 hours. We're gonna go to Sky Gray. We're gonna go Sky Gray. Raid Sky Gray TV. Everybody, thank you so much for hanging out. Got some good work done today. Got button prompts. We did a big switch. We switched from E to F. That was a big switch. Yag, thank you for hanging out. Language? I like. Food? I like. Non-work culture? Mostly like. Work culture? Nah, it's worse for me. Yeah, working is hard. Oh wait, I let it go by. The new follows today. I don't remember it was like Prestige something. I'm sorry, I can't read that. Soul Retriever and Chris with Bliss. Thank you. And to the mods, Finn, you're the only mod in there. And Augie, thank you for that raid. Fun stream, nice work, Andrew. Computer, thank you for hanging out. Kilika, turning cog. Panda. Let's go say hi to Sky Gray. No raid message. I don't know. I'm tired. I'm almost always the only mod in here. Sometimes Big Gamey comes in, but it's very rare because he is in Texas. Mod Panda Coder. Listen, can't just mod anyone.